I think the easy thing to say about longevity in the relationship is just the personal relationships, but I think it comes back to the expertise. When I talk to engineers that I don't deal with every day, they know what they're talking about. If I have a question about a specific technology, they're right there and they know not only what it can do, but they are actually able to go in and work with what we have, improve it, and recommend something that would be better to move to in the future. The excitement around technology is really, I think, unmatched versus any other profession, because every profession has technology in it. You can go anywhere with technology. It's relevant in any field, and I feel like it's constantly changing and improving, and we're constantly asking, what can we do to make it better? What are we not looking at? What could be done to improve this process or help someone out?